Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you the 3 ways to cut and trim videos in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Step 1. Enter the edit mode. Make sure you are in edit mode by clicking on it at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Trim using the cursor. Move your cursor to the end or the beginning of the clip. When you do see the white lines, click and drag to shorten the clip. This method only trims the outside of the clip. Step 3. Use the blade tool for precise cuts. Click on the blade tool in the toolbar, then go to the part of the video you want to cut and click on Split into 2 clips. This allows you to arrange and delete section easily. Step 4. Use a keyboard shortcut for fast cutting. Move to the part of the clip you want to cut. Just press the Ctrl plus B to split the clip instantly. And that's it. You know how to cut and trim videos like a pro in DaVinci Resolve. If this video found you helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.